Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to draw a Zentangle landscape drawing of a sea with simple shapes and patterns. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new uploads. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, take a piece of paper. I'm using a Cartridge paper here, and then take a pencil to draw the basic shapes of your landscape drawing. Now I'm drawing these curved lines to create waves. You can use a ruler to draw these rays, but I prefer drawing freehand straight lines for Zentangle drawings. So here is the basic outline. I have waves, sun, rays. Now that you are happy with your outline, make them bold using a marker. If you want, you can add something more like a sheep or birds, but I'm satisfied with my pattern. Now erase the pencil outlines. So let's begin to add some patterns and design inside these basic shapes. For that, I am using these colorful markers. As you can see, I'll be using these blue shades inside these waves, and the yellow and orange for the sun and the sky. So this is about it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.